Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create today. Let's take a look at it. You see the effect that in the top, it's like something is adding up. It's really amazing. So let's see how we can create something like that. It's easy. You need to have just this shape. And after that, everything is going to go as smooth as possible. So let's start with the new slide. I simply need to create that shape. It's easy. You create a rectangle. Everything is easy up until now. Then you insert a shape, this, and round it up. 1, 2, and 3 of them. Okay. Now select all of them by Ctrl A. Go to shape and align them center and in the middle. Then increase it and press Ctrl A. Go to shape format and then set fragment. Now we delete this. It has some satisfying feeling and your shape is ready. Now you need to color it up. For example, I'm going to go with black, or you can go with white. Every color you want, it's up to you. And sometimes it's going to be great to give it some shadows. Let's give it some shadows like this. Then you need some other rectangle. Create it like this. And send it to back. And bring it out. The color is up to you, but I think it's better to pick something that look great. Yellow is going to go nice. Or this color, it's up to you, but I'm going to go with yellow. And don't forget to remove the shape outline and bring it out. Okay, copy the text. The text is something that I have it from Overdrive Sunset and it's nothing really special. Okay, then copy that. Copy this slide. Then bring it in. Copy the next text. And then copy that again. And then copy the next text. Paste it here. Copy it. And move it. And then copy the next text. Also, it's possible to do some more modification, more update. For example, let's say this is the first shape, okay? Nothing else. But in the second shape, I'm going to format the background and I'm going to use color yellow, but with the low transparency. And then here I'm going to use color yellow with a little higher transparency. And here I'm going to use color yellow, but with a little higher transparency. Now set the transition to morph. Let's take a look. You see, it's kind of has its own effect. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.